Guys, today we are going to discuss how can we localize our iOS application using localizable.string file, and also we will discuss about how to localize the image view. In our previous tutorial we have discussed how to localize our storyboard. So let's see how can we do this. This is our storyboard. This is a level of a title level. Select a photo, and this is an image view, and this level and image view will be changed according to the our selected language or region. So let's see how can we do this. First of all we need to select our project name, project, and in this large section you can see there is localization segment. Click the plus icon and select one or more language that you want to localize. Spanish, we don't want to localize the our launch screen storyboard. Finish. After finishing you can see there is Spanish language added, and also there is main.string.spanish file added here. We also add another language for Arabic. Don't want to launch screen storyboard. Finish. After finishing there is also added main.string for Arabic language. Okay, now we need to add a localizable.string file. So command in, search here string, select string file, localizable.strings. After adding the localizable.string file, you go the right section. Here is the files inspector. You will see there is localized. Click here, localized. Also select Arabic and Spanish. Okay, after selecting Arabic, Spanish, you can see there is also localizable.string, 3 files, one for English, another is Arabic, and another is Spanish. Okay, now we need to add here our key value. For example, title key, English will be select a photo, this is for English. Copy here, copy this and paste here. Also here, go here, and we also need to replace select a photo with Arabic because this file is Arabic. This is the translation of select a photo of Arabic, and also replace this select a photo with Spanish translation. This is the Spanish translation, select a photo. Okay, now we go back our storyboard. This is our storyboard, and this is our title. We need to take an outlet of this level. Okay, now we need a class or helper class to get the localization string. Static func get string, this taken key will be string, and return a string. Return ns localizable string. Key is our key and comments is nothing. Okay, now set the string of a title level. Helper.get string, and our key, what's the key? Our key is title key. So copy and replace here. Okay, now run this project and see the result. Okay, title is select a photo is English because our device selected language is English. Now let's change this and see the result. Go here, search settings, language region, and we add here the Arabic. Use Arabic. Okay, now run. Yeah, it has sensed with Arabic. Select a photo. Now check for Spanish settings. Add here Spanish. This is the Spanish. Use Spanish. It takes some time. Now run. Yeah, this work for Spanish. This is the Spanish translation. Select a photo. Okay, now let's discuss about how can we localize our image view. First of all, we need to go again our storyboard and select the image view. Okay, go to the asset, XC asset. Okay, go to the right attribute inspector and select. And after selecting, you can see here a localization segment. Also click Arabic and Spanish. Now we need to set what will be the for Spanish and Arabic. Yeah, this image for Arabic and this image for Spanish. Okay, now let's run and see the result. Yeah, this is for Spanish because our title is also Spanish, and our image is sensed the Spanish image because this image is Spanish for Spanish. Now we need to check also the Arabic. Okay, use the Adobe. Now run and see. This work. This is our Arabic title, and this is our Arabic image. Now let's discuss with another approach. This is the traditional approach, and now let's see and modern approach. We can use like this title label dot text is equal to string localized. Yeah, localized. Just we give here our key. Okay, this is the key, and we no need to use this traditional approach. Yeah, this is the modern approach. Yeah, this is the modern approach. Yeah, now let's run and see the result. Yeah, it's also work fine, and it is highly recommended to use the modern approach.